Hey guys, we're here at the Mainstay project. We're in the midst of a remodel, so come on in and take a look. So we're here in the kitchen. The main reason behind this project, removing a peninsula that was obstructing the flow in the kitchen, changing some of the cabinetry layout, removing some soffits that were up against the ceilings for the old cabinetry to butt up against, to just opening it up and making it more functional for the family. So some of the challenges that we're facing during this kitchen install is this whole layout where we're trying to fit a lot in the space. We realized it's a little bit tight where the fridge panels were coming out with the fridge doors. You know, standing here at the sink base while somebody might be in the fridge, it was a little bit tight, this whole corner. So what we did is we're removing this tall 9-inch cabinet. We're gonna add 12 inches more of counter space with obviously a matching upper. Just kind of moving this big fridge, which is the big piece here, down the line to create some more room over at the sink base in this whole corner area. So here in the great room, another key feature of this remodel is the fireplace, and it was outdated, so we're trying to bring it back to life with the rest of the remodel. And new fireplace with decked in stone wraparound with a mantle, and it'll transition to painted drywall. Biggest thing is this deep niche to accommodate all the technology. Getting that TV to have that recessed look and keep it clean and not have clutter was the goal. So off the kitchen here, we have the laundry room. This was another priority in the remodel. Just changing the layout of the entryway into the laundry room to make it more functional, and adding some extra storage that they didn't used to have before. One of the key features here in this laundry room is this custom stainless steel pan that we had fabricated for the washer and dryer. Typically, you'll see just a single pan. This one is a lot more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. There'll be a matching white oak nosing around the pan to kind of hide that raised edge. So this was a solution to making the client's daily laundry more enjoyable. So we're here in the mudroom. You can't quite see it yet, but this will be a custom built-in with cubbies and hooks. That way the family can keep their belongings organized as they're coming in and out of their home.